Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python compilation process. Okay, very important and about how Python instructions are compiled to create a object code. Very important because every programming language there is a compilation stage is there. Because why we need a compilation? That is the big first question arises in your mind. Why we need compilation process? First of all, generally processor understood binary instructions. Processor processed instructions on the binary form. If your instructions are not ready for in a binary form, it is very difficult to process. Whatever instructions we are writing in source form, that is that is written in a alphabetic, that is generally our English language. Okay, that follows the English language. If you go for the print, the characters which we are using here, that is understood by the user or programmer are understood, but the processor can't understood because the written instructions are written in a alphabetical form. When it will be translate to the object form, it's generally in the binary formation. The binary formation is the best for the processor. So how the entire process is going on, we discuss in this video. Fine. So why we need compilation? Compilation generally translate source code to the object code. Okay, compilation helps us to translate source code to object code. So you know now why we need a compilation. Object code is the form of binary. Source code is the form of human understandable form by human understandable language. That's it. Then next. Now you see this particular in PPT, there is a source code is there. Okay, there is a source code which already written in the Python form source code. When it enters to the interpreter, Python interpreter, there is compiler is there. Here not taken as a compiler. Compiler means here translator. Compiler means here translator. Python interpreter is the combination of three things. One, compiler who translate line by line instructions, then create a bytecode. Okay, you also see if you learn Java, okay, there is also bytecode is there. Here also Python, inside Python there is also coming out a bytecode. Bytecode means after line by line instructions compiled, it create a bytecode. Bytecode is a collection of bytes, collection of bits. Byte means collection of bits. That bits input by the Python virtual machine. When Python code is going to be executed inside the system, there is a virtual machine is very important part. When you launch Django, okay, in future when you launch Django framework, there is also we create a virtual machine. Inside the virtual machine, we generally install the Django. Here Python code is running in Python virtual machine. Very important, Python code executed inside the Python virtual machine. So Python virtual machine is the combination, means is the collection of input whatever the user inputted, and there is also comes out the library modules. Library modules means functionalities, just like a print one library module, then some mod. Okay, there's a lots of library modules are there. They're generally defined inside the Python virtual machine. So this is the entire process of Python interpreter. After that, the code is going to be executed. After that, the code is going to be executed. If you go through real world example, so how the code is going to be processed? First of all, source code. Source code here we have to take in as a print, within print bracket, within double quote, hello world. This is my source code. I understood that source code, but system can't understand. System only understand the binary form of that particular instruction. Binary form of that particular instruction. When it enters to the Python interpreter, first it translate. Their compiler means it translate. Okay, the line by line instructions are translated, but here print hello world is a single line of instruction that is going to be compiler. It will create a bytecode directly. Is a collection of bits. When it enter to the virtual machine where actual execution going on in that particular machine. Here we connect to the different Python models or library models. Then it going to be code is going to get executed. Okay, at the end code gets executed. So this is the entire strategy. Okay, this is the entire way and follow by the Python core instructions to bring you but to give you as a object object file. Okay, object file is the formation of binary code. Object file is the formation of binary code. Fine, understood? If any doubt in your comes out in your mind, go to a comment box, type here. Okay, that's a simple thing. If there is a doubt is coming in your mind, that's a great thing. Okay, don't say that there is not coming any doubt. That if there is doubt is coming in your mind, go to the comment box and type it. Fine. If the video is very helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon. When I upload the video, you get the notification. Thank you.